Hi guys, welcome to your fifth tutorial on Java for beginners, and in this one, first of all, we're going to look at comments okay? These are comments. See these double slashes? This means this is a single line comment, and when you have more than one line, you put the slash and the asterisk, and then asterisk and slash, and you can put in there your comments down the paragraph. Basically, a comment is used for if you want to put some information down, just remember something that you did in the program. It will be there to see it, but it doesn't become part of the program. It's just a comment to show you or to show somebody else exactly what you're doing with a piece of code at a certain part in the program. Alright, the next thing I want to tell you is about the string class, okay? So I have a string and I call it text1. The variable is equal to hi. Text2 is equal to just a blank string, and text3 is equal to you. So when I add these up, just concatenate like this. In the output, I get hey you, hi you. Now another thing we can do is go string text4, and we will have that equal to text1 plus text2 plus, what am I doing equal side there? Plus text3, okay? And if I go down here, I showed this before, hopefully it won't be slow. SYSO, control space, press enter. That's a shortcut for printing up your printout. And if I go in here and do the output text box, what should we save that? Let's just see what we get here, okay? And watch the very bottom down here as it comes. There you go. We get the same thing again. Hi you. See, just a quick way. Okay, so that's the string concatenation. Just play around with that and see how you get on and put things together. Alright. See you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye bye.